This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Miracle Bennett. Just wow! Amazingly spacious home filled with custom upgrades and updates. Light, bright and full of love, this home offers a floor plan for every need. Chef's dream of a kitchen includes giant island, beverage bar with sink and wine cooler, custom cabinets and appliance or buffet counter. Guest suite on first floor with full bath, master bedroom with sitting area, master bath with oversized custom shower, large game room, 3-car garage with 3-car carport, backyard with hot tub and a unique swim pond so interesting it was featured in the Dallas Morning News. Entire home rehab from the studs out completed January 2014. This includes HVAC, ducts, wiring etc. Please see media for list of updates and upgrades. For more information